Hello everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Today I'll be showing you how to take pictures on BeReal app. So let's get into the video. First, open your app BeReal. You'll be landing on your home page. Here, most of the people don't know that when you are posting the BeReal, you are actually taking the picture. And the greatest feature of this BeReal is basically when you are taking a picture, both your front camera and your back camera as well are taking photo. So when you take one photo to post on BeReal, it is actually two photos merged. So in order to take a picture on BeReal, click it on Post a BeReal. Here it will allow you to access on camera. Here basically this is my back camera, and if I take a picture with it, it will also take a picture with my front camera. There you go, so you can see that the picture of both front camera and back camera appears in this frame. And if you want to send this BeReal to your friend, you can simply just click it on this arrow. You can choose it whether to send this to everyone or only to your friend. I would like to share this only to my friends, so click on it. There you go, your BeReal picture is ready. So this is it, and with this process you can easily take any picture that you want in BeReal. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching it till the end. We'll see you on my next video.